What is it? What is it? What is in the box? Welcome back to World Drum Club, everybody. I'm Kalani, and this is a real unboxing day. Not Boxing Day like December 26th. This is Unboxing Day, whatever today is. So I don't do a lot of actual unboxings, but since I got this box that's locked with tape, I thought I'll do an unboxing here on the show. What is it? It's a shake hat from Ben Alon, a one-man tribe. Who's that? Well, while I'm opening this, getting the tape off, I want you to take a look at this video. This is what Ben is, who Ben is. Amazing stuff, you guys. Okay, so let me pause the video. I got too many things. So I did manage to get the top of the box open during that. So did you see it? Did you see the shake hat? I think Ben's playing is amazing. You guys go check out his channel, first of all. Ben Alon, one-man tribe. He's based in Israel, playing the music, hybrid music, but a lot of music based on the Senegalese music. If you guys are familiar with Dudu and Dai Rose, the video Jabot, you can see some of that, but go check it out. What he's doing is pretty cool. All right. Let's see what's in the box. I'm literally just, I'm just opening it. Wow. Oh my God. All right. Don't go anywhere, little friend. Oh my goodness. All right. So that's it in the box. So I'm going to give you a look, a listen. We're going to check it out at different angles. Maybe by the end of this video, we'll do a little live looping, but who knows. All right, so here is, let's get the side view. Pretty cool. So it's basically a can, but it's more than that. Don't let the looks fool you. This is... It is a can, but it's also we got a lot more going on inside. So let's get in there. I also want to show you the bass before I get too many things out of here. It does have a wooden bass. It comes with a hi-hat clutch. And I got to say, it's got a little bit of weight to it. So, oh, you can smell the freshness. There's nothing like a fresh instrument, isn't there? All right, this is going to be a little bit, this is noisy. You cannot do this quietly. So you can see right away how the construction is. It's nothing complicated. It's basically, you know, the can, and then you've got a lot of bells. You've got a couple different size bells, the silver bells, the little, I don't know if I want to call it brass. I'll call it brass. And then you've got these seeds, the sea nuts. What do we call them? Ocean nuts, sea nuts. I'm excited. All right, so what do you get? You get instructions, little diagram. You get, and I think this is really cool, you get a spacer. Let me see. So like a rubber, I guess that goes over here. Boom. See, so easy. Even a drummer can do it. And then you get, I'm sorry I'm using, I always tell people, don't use your drum as a table. Never use your drum as a table. So this really isn't a conga drum. And then, yeah, and let me give you the overhead view again. So, can you see down there? All right, so that's what's going on there. Let's put it on. So we're gonna loosen the clutch. We're going to depress the pedal slightly. And yes, I love it. So you get also a handful of extra bells, which is nice, because depending on how hard you rock it, you might end up with a bell to which you did knock it off. All right, let's hear it. And I'm gonna give you a couple different mics. This, right now, we're listening to my shotgun mic, which is not the most musical, but that's pretty fun. All right, very cool. All right, where's the side view again? Let me see. Can I show you? All right, there we go. Ta-da! I'm gonna switch over. I've got a better microphone right here. I hope it's okay. It's a large diaphragm mic. Let's see. We're gonna switch over now. And I'm gonna try to balance the levels here. I think that's pretty fun. You know, I really like the depth. It's not just a jingle, and it's something that I hope is coming across to you all. And you know, when you're listening to this stuff, don't just listen on your phone. Get some headphones, listen at home with some speakers or something, because this is music. And if you're just listening on your phone, I mean, if you have to, that's fine. But I really recommend you listen to all music online with some earbuds or headphones or some decent speakers, because there's a lot going on here. It's a lot more than just like a tambourine sound. So what I can say right now is that it's pretty easy to play. I think you do need a fairly robust hi-hat, because it does weigh a little bit, but you know, it doesn't weigh any more than a hi-hat cymbal. Certainly if you're you know, using 14, 15-inch hi-hats, this does not weigh more than a top, you know, cymbal. If you've got smaller hi-hats, maybe, but it's got some weight to it. And I like the fact that it's kind of got its own delay, you know, decay. It's not a super tight sound. It's pretty crisp, but I like that it's got this kind of after effect. Let's see if we can, you know, I wasn't really planning on doing looping right now, but let me see if I can do a little something. So we can have a, you know, just a sample. I'm gonna turn this other mic on. I'm set up for something. I don't even know what this looper is set up on. Let's see what happens. I might have to edit this part out. Let's see. I got a Cajon. Yeah, all right. Let's see if I can do something here for you guys. What do you guys think? Okay, so, you know, like I said, this is my first time. Obviously, right in front of you guys, unboxed it, started using it. What do you think of the sound, though? I'd like to know what you think of the sound in the comments. How do you think you would use this instrument? Are you using a shake hat? Do you want to be using a shake hat? I'm going to use this a lot, I can tell you right now. I want to thank Ben for sending this over. And, you know, I hope that you guys go check out his music. I'll leave a link below, but Ben Elon, One Man Tribe, all right? Go check out what he's doing, you guys. And in fact, he's going to be a guest on the channel soon. So patrons, we're going to do a hang with Ben coming up pretty soon. All right. Thanks for watching. As always, like, subscribe, hit the bell. I just hit like 50 bells. So you can hit one, get notifications. All right, I'll see you guys. Thanks for tuning in.